Hello.
Yes, dear. How are you today?
Hello.
Yes, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good to hear you. Um,
Mm.
did you have your breakfast?
Yes.
Okay, did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Does it contain sugar?
No.
Little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. So how was those slicing exercise that you have?
I do have problem. I will only two. Can you explain for two? How should you enter an output? Input into an
Okay.
output? Yeah, can do that. Yes. Okay.
So first of all, what did you understand from the exercise so that we try to find the middle way? Aravin, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. What did you
Yeah.
understand
It
from the
can
exercise?
extract a substring from the middle. How do you do that? Like you slightly take a middle three characters.
Okay, did you remember that we can use a square bracket to be able to take out um, some characters out of a string?
I'm searching it, but like isn't.
Okay, then let us try to. Okay, let me also ask you one thing. If I give you, um, so we took a lot of exercises so far. If I
Mm.
give you the exercises with the answers, does it
Mm.
help you? So if I
Does it
print
help
all
you?
the exercises with the answers and I pass to you and then I tell you revise them, do you think it will help you?
If you revise only, it will help.
Okay. Okay,
Will
that's
it?
good.
Good?
Yeah.
Good effect?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yes, it.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Let me try to explain to you. So if you would like um so here you take in input. Excellent. Okay. So
Yeah,
you have
that's well.
yes, okay. So at the moment, if you put 7 letters, it means it contains 7 characters. So let's assume that this is quite small. Maybe it cannot contain 7 characters, but let us see how. So, um, let's assume that you put armchair. So if this is a character that you put, so here is the A, and then the last one would be the R, and this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is from 0 to 7. Okay, here is 0, the position 0. The R is at position 7.
Okay.
Okay, so in
Mm.
total, this is 8 characters. Okay, so if he say he would like to slice what? Can you see again? The middle 3 characters, which is characters 3, 4, and 5.
Mm.
So okay, this is character 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if we would like to get 3 and 4 and 5 like this, it means that we need to get this and say word, because this word contain all the characters. So I will specify 2 things: the start and here the stop.
Mm.
Did you remember that we take something like this before, or this is the first time?
First time, I think.
Okay. So the start is 3 because I would like to get the C character. Okay, what about the 4? If I put 5,
A four will appear.
yes, exactly. Okay. So to be able to to show this, you have to put it in a print statement. Only then you are able to get it out. So put this print, open bracket, like this. Okay, so go to line number 2, remove it, please, because no point to slice without printing or saving. Yes, and also remove these two, no point. 4 and 5. Okay. Middle, just comment this first, and then we settle it later. Okay, now run, please. What do you need to enter? What do you think we enter? Can we enter the armchair?
Let's see. See, it shows karak.
So it means that it only cut 2 instead of 3. What do you think we can do then?
For example,
Keep. Hmm?
3 to 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So when you decided to stop at 5, you actually going to get the character number 3 and character number 4. If you would like to get the A, or which is character number 5, you have to put here 6 instead of 7. So this need to be 6.
Oh, okay, that means one, like when it says here.
The last one is exclusive. Now do you see how many characters you get?
Absolutely, they are here. They are 7. They're 3. Sun.
Okay, so if you would like to get 4 characters, it means that you need to remove the 6 and put 7.
Let me see if it goes. Song.
So you managed to get 4 characters, right?
Yeah.
Can you run again with the armchair?
Chai.
So you managed to get the eye here, right? Here is
Yeah.
the eye, and you managed to get it. If you put from 3 to 7, 3 to 7, it
3 to
means that,
7, yes.
okay, perfect. So the last thing that I would like to tell you, at the moment on line number 2, we actually printing this slicing of characters, but we did not save it. Okay, so the best way is to rewrite this printing into, so we say middle equal word 3 to 7. And then this middle now contains only the sliced word. Okay, so it means that from these characters will be saved in a variable called middle. And then, so you modify this line so that it become like that. Can you do that?
Yeah. Like, okay, print middle.
Remove the print totally. Excellent. Okay, now uncomment this. Okay.
Son.
Okay, but we just put it in a variable and then we print out the variable. I mean, it's the same result, right?
Yes.
Okay. Did you understand, or is it hard to understand?
Now I get it what you say.
Okay, so now you know how to slice a string.
First, when you slice and use a string, yes.
Okay, can you stop sharing then, and I will try to send you the next ones. Here you go. See this, please?
Okay. Okay, let me see. Let me show you.
Yes, please.
You okay?
That's excellent. Very good.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go.
Hey! Oh. Okay, so I've got problem. They say negative um, slicing indexes.
So he is saying that. Are you sure he's saying? So he said print the last four characters, right, of a word. Use negative indexing for slicing. Okay. So what? I mean, do you know how to get the last four?
I got last four, but
But okay, you when you using here, you actually enter four a string with four words, but this cannot work because how you get last four? It's all of them is four. How you can do that? So maybe you can use a longer one, like armchair.
for example, sure.
So at the moment, what you are getting is using the first four or three characters, or four actually. So
Very
you
fast
need
forward, yeah.
the last one, right? How
Hmm.
can you get the last one?
Can you get the last one? Could you believe that it is five?
You can try and see how you can get the last four characters.
Let me see. We got five.
Yes, but you starting from okay. So at the moment when we say the last four, I expect you to get me the R, the I, the A, and the H. So I would like to get this, not from the start.
So, what you need to do is I got the. So, how did? Oh gosh, no way. Okay. So should it be okay, okay, and let me see. Okay. Okay.
Excellent. It's not
Oh.
difficult, isn't it?
Oh, it was showing negative slides, or how
So
would people understand?
okay, so if you would like to use a negative slide, but I mean, so it totally depends if you get confused or no. But uh, at the moment, let us not talk about negative slicing because negative slicing will use negative numbers and that might confuse you at the moment. Let us try to do other exercises at the moment, and then we talk about later about negative slicing. Let me also share with you the next exercise here, which talk about try to solidify our understanding of indentation. Okay, now have a look at this exercise.
Okay, like this. It's five times.
Okay. So can I know what was the issue with the code?
It shows that if you fix this line, you will get an undead error. So I indented already.
So what does it mean to indent a line?
So that it allows more spaces and allows to be valid for the output and end of the output.
When you don't indent, what happened? When you don't indent, what could be possibly happen?
It could expect an error.
Only like that?
That's what it says because I expect to and I expect to um, leave space.
Okay. So to tell the computer or to the Python that this print belong to the for and should be repeated a number of lines based on this number, you should indent it. So the only way for the for loop to understand that the line under it belong should we should use it to run for 5 times is to indent it. If you don't indent, then the Python will never know that it should use or execute the print statement that contains hello. So the indentation is a way to tell the for loop that the print should be repeated. Is it clear?
Absolutely.
Okay, that's good. Then we
That's
could,
okay.
here you go.
Okay. See how it looks.
Okay, what the exercise is telling you, please? Can you tell me what in the exercise, what is the purpose of the exercise here?
Print numbers 0 to 4, then print done.
So he said print done after the loop. After the loop.
Look.
So he say at the end, he say, learn this. When you indent something under the for loop, it runs every time. If it is not indented, it runs once after the loop ends. So the exercise is asking you to modify the indentation so that we print done after the loop, not during the loop. So now what modification you can do here? So
Modifications.
yes,
Okay.
I mean, a change, just a change. So what you should actually see, you should see the 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then done. How many done we see here in this? Only one
Five.
time. No,
Oh, only one. Oh,
only
one,
one,
one, one.
only one
Only one.
here. Now
Okay.
you're seeing it 5 times.
Hmm.
So we do not want that. So how can we correct that behavior or that issue? We cannot say done 4 times. It doesn't make
Hmm.
sense.
Yes.
So tell me how then. How can we?
Okay. Okay, let me see. Just a minute. Let me fix it. Do you include five? Do you include five?
No, but so no need to include 5. The key here is to not to print done every time. To print done only one time. It is a single change that you need to do on line number 4.
Line num
Can you read the exercise again, please?
print numbers 0 to 4.
Mhm. Not only
That's why
this.
it is.
No, no,
Yeah,
no,
but that
no.
means.
There is more details that he's
Uh,
telling.
uh,
What is the other details? So he said, yes, print numbers 0 to 4. He said what after this? Can you read all the text of the exercise slowly?
um, it says is if not indented, it runs one after the loop ends. It says if not indented, it runs off once after the loop ends.
Okay. So what does this tell you? You would like to print done every time or only after the loop ends? So he's talking here about indentation. He's explaining to you about the indentation. What is the effect of indenting?
Indentation.
What is indentation?
Indentation is you're indenting, you're just leaving space.
Okay. So what is the exercise again is telling you? Slowly reread it.
It just shows um print number 0 into 4, then the print done after the loop.
Print done after the loop. At the moment, you are not printing done after the loop. You are printing done during the loop. When you indent something under the loop, you are telling Python to keep repeating what you're indenting. So at the moment, you are telling that this actually due to line number 2 and line number 4 belong to the for loop. In the exercise, he's telling you this does not belong to the for loop. So he asks you to do correction here.
So
Is
what's
it
the correction?
the correction is to unindent it. Unindent it. See, he say move the line next, move the next line outside the loop. Okay, now run please and see. What about now? What do you think?
Perfect?
So the now you see done is printed only one time.
No.
It is here.
Oh, yeah, it's only one time. Sorry. Yes, yes.
So what is the change that you have done now? You just took this from inside the loop to outside. When you put it outside, it means that the for loop now think that the only line it should run, it is only this. After
Hmm.
the for loop finish, we start to print that line only one time, which is here. Does this make sense or is a bit hard to grab?
It makes sense. I now I why I created this.
Okay, good. Let me try to. Here you go.
Works.
Really?
Is it supposed to be like this?
Yes, but how you managed to
Okay,
fix it, please?
just leave space each. Then you'll get that, yeah, you'll
Mm-hmm.
extract the
Interesting.
line.
Okay,
Hmm.
that's good. Here you go.
Okay.
How is it?
Okay, seems to be the output is empty. Just let me open and see.
Did you read the exercise text?
Yes, I read it, but it shows, how if I run, uh, it's nothing. So I read carefully, I had numbers one to five together.
Okay. What is the purpose of the exercise, please? if you don't mind.
Is print the total after the loop only.
So, okay. And there is one line that is actually commented, isn't it?
Yes.
Did you read the last line in the exercise?
Last line in the exercise. Add a print statement here to show the result after the loop. Is it?
No, the line after it. He say, learn this. Printing inside the loop.
Printing inside the loop
Mhm.
shows the value changing every time. Printing after shows the final result only.
So he's saying what? He's saying add a print statement here to show the result after the loop.
Yes.
After the loop, did we do the same exercise before? Yes, we did.
Mhm.
We did a similar exercise just now that we print after the loop. How we did that? Can you still remember? Any idea?
Inside the loop shows the, what should it be? I don't know. How does it going to look? Wow. Can you explain
Mm,
of how it looks?
so when we want something to be printed after the loop, it means that we we put the print statement after the for loop, which means that we put it unindented. So all the lines that belong to the loop is here. We do not want to put the print here. So we put it where we can come down here and then we put the print statement here. Print total. Total
Okay.
equal.
Bring total.
Just be careful the indentation. Yes. Now run, please.
15.
Okay, can you prove to me that this number is correct?
No.
Why no? So you are adding numbers from 1 until
Oh,
6.
but it
1
says 1
plus
to 5
2
together.
plus 3 plus
But it shows
4.
one. Okay. Okay, I understand 1 to 6, so means 15.
So 6 is excluded. And then we actually add the numbers from 1 until 5. Does this give you 15? This give you 15 or not? This is correct or no?
Absolutely.
Okay. So can you change this to 7, please?
Yes.
This, can you change it to 7? And tell me what is the effect?
Okay, what's gonna be a problem is 21
Why 21?
because it includes 6.
Excellent. Excellent. That's good answer. Yes. Okay. That's good. Okay, here you go.
Okay. Let me just yeah, go.
So what was the request from the exercise, if you don't mind, please?
Select 1 to 3.
He said select 1 to 3.
No, I for 1 to 3.
Okay, and make sure that both are inside the loop. Does he say
Yeah.
this? So
Uh,
so how you manage to solve that? To make them both
uh,
inside the loop?
both same indentation. Then you get
Excellent
this.
understanding. Yes,
That's
that's
it. Yeah,
great.
that's how
Yes.
it is. Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, I like that. Okay. So you already know how to actually here you go.
Mm. Okay.
How you managed to solve it, please?
Two indentations line, then you will get this.
Mm-hmm.
And you won't repeat mistakes.
Okay, that's good. Here you go.
Okay.
What is the purpose of the code?
Oh, they asked you just what was called is print numbers from five down to one you while using while loop. Um then once it is one, then you blast off and your
Okay, can I understand if you would like to print 0 at the bottom here? If we would like to print 0 here, what should we change here?
zero.
Hmm? So after the 1, we would like also to print 0. After this, we print blast off. So what change that we need to do in the loop?
What should I do? Should you in okay, let me check. Is that it?
Do you see 0 here at the bottom?
No, I will see, yeah. I I oh,
You press stop because you are consuming the energy of, yeah. Okay. So what about changing this number or this number? Here, the condition says the loop will keep running as long as the number is bigger than 0. If the number is reduced to be less than 0, we will stop the loop. So this is what this condition is saying. And this variable is telling which number should we start our printing from. So here is 5. You see here 5. If you change this to 6, this will definitely change to 6.
Yeah, if it is definitely, let me definitely.
Now do you see?
Yes. Okay,
So
now there should be a problem. Let me see, yeah? No, it's not.
can you stop so that we don't drain the energy of...
Um,
Can you change this to 1 and see what is the effect?
it's apparently not. Okay, if
Do
you
you
do.
see?
Okay, let me 1 second. You get this, see?
Mm-mm. Okay, that's good. So now you know where to change the start and where to change the bottom, the end, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay.
Mhm. So before that, can I use washroom, please?
Yes, you sure. Go.
I'm back.
Okay.
Okay, I did it.
Good. Can you explain to me what's happening in the code?
It asks you just indent each line to get even numbers from 0 to 6.
Mm-hmm. And if you change the starting value of the I, what is the effect of that? So if the I value change, what is the effect?
0.
Now it is 0. If you put it 2,
Mm.
what will happen?
2, 4, 6.
So it means that this control your starting number, right?
Which appears this, yes.
Okay, what about the 6? What if you would like to print 8 until 8? What are you going to change?
Let's see. You go.
Mm-hmm. Excellent. Okay, what if you, let me see. Okay, that's good. Let me try to give you more. Here you go.
Mhm. Is this correct, all?
Yes. So what is the effect of unindenting line number 5? What will happen? If line number 5 is unindented, what is the effect? Arabin, you can
Yes,
hear
yes,
me?
yes, I'm listening.
Okay. So if you, so what I would say, this line, if you move that here, what is the effect? Do you know what is the effect?
If I move there, let me check. It always repeats an output. It repeats ever.
Okay, so it will run forever. Okay, you stop. So, okay, what is this condition saying to me, please? Can you tell me what is this condition saying?
It
Count.
says less than 3.
Okay, so, and what is the current value of count?
Count.
Count variable have a value 0. And then you check here, if the count is less than 3, so count at the moment have 0. So it is as if you are saying 0 is less than 3. Is it 0 less than 3? Yes or no? True or false?
Let me check.
0 is less than 3 or bigger than 3.
Less than 3.
Okay, good, good, good. So
But that's
yeah, that is because you stop again. So that's because you unindented. When you take this unindented, it become outside the while loop. So the while loop run
yeah.
forever.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me get.
Can you make it run until 5, please? Can you
But if
make
it is
it
until 4, 4 would be 3.
excellent?
I'd see.
Yes. Excellent. So can we start not from 0? Can we start from 2? Now you're starting from 0. How we start from 2?
Okay.
Excellent. Okay, that's good. Here you go. This is the last.
Empty. I'll show you. It's empty.
What is he saying here, please? Can you see here? What is he writing here in the comment?
Add print statement here to show the total after for loop ends.
What does this mean?
This means add one add print statement means print will be which what we'll have here is we get print
Print what? What do you need to print at the end?
oh friends uh, should you write print total statement?
Yes, he said print and show total. Definitely it means that you need to. So the variable total, this is how you print it out.
Yeah.
You sure? Is
No,
this
no,
what we have
no,
done before?
no. Print statement.
Can you look at the previous exercises how we actually print total?
After print the total after the loop.
Yes, but this is not how we print total. We use a different way. If you would like to print the variable total, that's not the way. That will give you error.
Okay, so print total only. You
Okay, try.
done? 15.
Okay, that's really good. But do you understand what is this loop is doing?
It's just trying to activate the totals that show the after loop ends.
What is the total?
15. Okay, total 0, but it's estimated that's just 15.
So this loop start counting from 0, and every time it add 1 to the total. So every time I add 1, how many times I do that? As long as the total is less than 15. Once it reach 15, I will stop. Can you print the I, please? Can you print the latest value of the I?
I.
Yes. So you printed here the total. Can we print the value of the I?
Total I. You mean?
No total I. Just I only. There is no total I.
All right.
No, no. I said just print the I. Print it. Okay.
Okay.
That is not 100% accurate because you already removed, we was having a formula that say I equal plus equal I, just equal 1. And that was actually as if you are saying I is equal I plus 1. You removed that and you put a print. So if you remove that, it means that the I will be always 1. It will never change. So if you put the print after this line or after this line, then you will see that the I value change. It become higher and higher. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, never mind. We explain this more in details in the next class. Take care.
Okay. Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye. Thank you.